Tryna get flued out for the weekend.
JT back trap, niggas bring the blues out. I was in the cell, yeah, Miami getting flued out. Put this pussy on to make a nigga say ooh ah.
Even though you're all alone when I am gone, I just wanna keep you warm. I'm coming back, I wanna touch. Now I'm so far away, I'm stuck. I wanna touch. Now I'm so far away.
Salut mon amis and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hit the subscribe button so you can join the family. So I forgot I didn't make my intro because I was planning to do it after I put the wig on. So here I am. You know, the wig is on, secured. I put the glue on, but I have this wrap on just because, you know, to keep it laid down so it has time to really process. And I'm not really going nowhere today, but as you can see by the title, this is the wig install video. This is the wig that I made in my, I don't think it's my last video. It might be my last video. I don't really remember, but I made a video on it, and it'll definitely be at the end in one of the links. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys the hair. Pretty wavy. These are curls that I did like 4 days ago. So yeah, good hair. I'll put the link to this hair in the description. Like I said, I made this wig, so business inquiries or inquiries, my bad. My email is down below, so if you want me to make you a wig, you can go hit that up. But let's get right into the video. Hi everyone. So I know I'm wearing a black cap. It's just because I didn't feel like using one of my brown ones or one I had to really color, because this wig doesn't need it. But I'm just showing you guys the wig and what I'm going to use to just lay this cap down for a few days. But I know you guys said a new intro. Tell me how you feel in the comments, please. I might be switching between the old one. Well, not old, but this one and my usual one. Just because I don't know how I feel about it. But if you guys like it, please let me know in the comments. Please. So I'm using this glue that I just got today. Even though it was supposed to come yesterday. But I ain't tripping. And I got my foundation, a brush, and a little container top to put it in and switch it around so it doesn't bleed through my lace and get on my hair.
Period.